Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today on the channel we have got Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. We've got issue 32. In issue 32 we're going to be making a joint for our right shoulder. Let's take a quick look at what we get. These are the parts we get. These are our assembly pages. We're going to be bringing back our right shoulder. We're going to be bringing in our right arm. We're going to be connecting them both together until we end up with our arm connected to our shoulder. Our sci-fi cinema legend is AI, artificial intelligence, and real world science is the history of time. This is part 3 and what's coming up in next week's issue. So let's get these parts open and start building. Okay, so we've got our parts out of our packaging. First off, we're going to be taking this piece here and this little piece here. As we've been doing with the others, we're going to be putting some glue on here. So let's get some glue to start off with, and let's apply some glue to here. As always, I'm applying a little bit of glue just on each piece here, and then giving a little swirl just round this pin. Just like that. And now we can put this into here. Drop that in, give it a little push, and that's what we should have after that step. So we can move that to the side for a second. Now we're going to bring in our right shoulder, which is this one here. We've got 2 screw holes here, and we're going to be screwing this into here. We want this facing, with the black bit that we just put in, we want that facing down the way towards the bottom of the shoulder blade. So we're going to need 2 of the shorter screws and a screwdriver. So let's get our screwdriver and one of the screws. And we can start screwing that together. That's one in. Turn it over and we can put our second screw in. Just like that, and that's just got that piece now on there. So we can put that to the side just for a second. Now we're going to be bringing in this little one here, and we're going to be bringing back from a previous issue this one here. And we're going to be dropping this into here. This does have a cutaway each side, so it's not a full circle, so you can't put it in any other way. Just like that. Now we're going to be bringing our arm back. So we just get our arm back. This is our right arm. Yeah, so now we can take this piece and we're just going to put this in the top here. Just like that. That's going to locate in there for us. Now what we want to do is we want to locate our shoulder joint inside here. So we can just leave that out for a second. And we can start fitting this together. Don't think you have to have this. The book tells you to have this bit in now, but I don't think it really matters. I think you can put it in after, but we're going to do how the book says. So you want it this way up with this bit towards the top. And you want to locate that in to there, just like that. Now we can take this pin and we can drop that in there. And now what's left to do is we've got to have a screw to go just in the back of here, and that's one of these longer screws. And you are going to need your Allen key that we had in issue 26. Unfortunately, I can't find my Allen key I had in issue 26, but luckily enough, I do have another Allen key. So we can now secure this in. Just keep going. Just like that. We don't want to over tighten it because remember this can lock it into place. We don't want to lock it into place just yet, so we want to have it a little loose, just so it turns but not too loose. So I'll put it like that, so it ratchets. And that is this issue complete, and that's what you should have after that issue. Very nice. So we've now got our arm onto our shoulder, and we can turn that, we can rotate it here. Very nice. Yeah, so we're going to move this to the side just for a second, because we're going to take a look at what's coming next week. So next week we're going to accessorize and articulate the left shoulder. So it looks like we get the similar sort of pieces. We're going to be putting this piece on that we've had. So yeah, very cool. Don't know what this piece is. We haven't had a piece like that yet, so that's a new one. So I hope you like this video. If you haven't already, please like, comment and subscribe. Those of you who are observant, you'll notice that I do have the Iron Man sitting here. The issue for that will be coming up on Friday, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. So other than that, see you next time.